Hi, everybody. I'm Moshe Klein, President and CEO of the Affordable Accounting Firm, with your weekly tax tip number 104. Today, I want to talk to you about two avoidable and very costly IRS tax penalties. The first one is failure to file your tax return, and the second one is failure to pay the taxes that you owe. If you are obligated to file a tax return, you must file that tax return every year. If you're a small business owner or just an individual taxpayer, you have to determine if you are obligated. And filing that tax return could prevent potentially thousands of dollars in penalties just by filing that return on time or requesting a free 6-month filing extension. So many people do not file a tax return every year because they're fearful that they may owe money that they can't afford to pay. But what they don't understand is that the penalty for failure to file is completely separate from the second penalty I'd like to mention today, and that is failure to pay the taxes that you owe. You see, once you calculate what it is that you may owe to the IRS, many people don't file their returns because they don't have that amount of money to pay. The very best thing that the IRS recommends you do in that case is file the return no matter what and pay even a very small amount toward what you owe. The IRS is absolutely willing and able and agreeable to work out a payment arrangement with you for any amount over and above the initial payment that you make when you file your tax return. Again, the most important thing is if you are obligated to file a tax return, file it on time. And if you have an amount of money that you owe that is more than you can afford at the present time, make a small payment to the IRS and contact the IRS or work with a qualified and competent tax professional to negotiate a reasonable payment plan to pay off what you might owe. This is Moshe Klein with your weekly tax tip. If you have any questions about this or any other matter relating to bookkeeping, accounting, tax, or payroll services, just give us a call at 888-432-8187 or visit our website right away.